Guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I'm so excited. This is my second video. I hope you guys are excited and feeling well. So today I'm supposed to be joined by my best friend slash YouTube partner. Well, if you guys are wondering how she's my YouTube partner, if you paid close attention to my first video, I said that me and my friend created this YouTube channel. So this is not just my channel, it's also my friend's channel. But unfortunately, she's not here in this video, but you know. So hopefully she's in my next one. But today I'm going to be playing with squishies and slime. So let's get started. So this is the first squishy. Dun. So this is a unicorn head. Okay, a unicorn head. This little horn. The mane is all galaxy themed. It's so like super cute and nice. And I don't know if you can see these. Yeah, these white specks represent stars because, as I told you, it's galaxy themed. The fringe, like the pink part, is only on the fringe. It's only on the fringe, and it's so shimmery. The very cool thing about this is that on the unicorn like cheek, it has this super cute little pink heart, and the horn is silver. So let's hear it squish. And sorry for the background noise. It's my brother's, but just don't worry about this. We're gonna focus on the squishing. Okay, let's hear it squish. Wow, it's so slow rising. Like, look at this, look at this, look at this. Ah! So this is super cute. I really love it. It's one of my favorite squishies. This is how it looks. Let's do like a 360. Wow, 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 wow. Do, 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 do. Two. Do. It's super, super cute. So let's move on to the next squishy. Bum. Okay, so before I move on to the next squishy, I want to give you a jumbo alert. This squishy is so jumbo. I don't know if you can fit in the camera lens. But anyways. Dun, dun, dun. So what this is a jumbo panda. Normally these jumbo pandas are white, but this is galaxy themed. I know, my unicorn and my panda are all galaxy themed. And this is the same, I don't know if you can see, but the same white specks over here represent stars. And it's super cute. Look at, like, it's so massive though. And it's so cute. And look at these, like, rosy cheeks. Ah! Okay, let's hear it squish. Dun. It's like a flat pancake when it squishes. Anyways, this is the back of it. Wow, very nice, very nice. And look at this really cute tail. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. And this is, let's do a 360 again. Dun, dun, dun. Actually, I'm surprised. If I go closer, it doesn't fit. This doesn't fit, but if I go back, it actually does fit. So anyways, dun, dun, dun. So this is the back of the bum. This is the back of the panda. And this is the bum of the panda. Don't know why I'm showing the bum. Anyways, this is the front. Their top view. I don't know, like a 360. Ah! If without the ears, this looks like Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty. But it's still so cute. Let's hear squish one more time. It's super, super cute. So now I'm going to move on to some slime. So this is the first slime. This is a goldfish slime. So the color is like goldfish. And it's a super cute bucket. Let's do some ASMR. I don't know why I did that, but anyways, this is the slime. It's really pretty goldfish color with gold glitter. I don't know if you can see, but it has gold glitter. So let's hear it poke. Okay, let's take the slime out. It's a really nice color. So let's go with 360 of the slime. No, okay, let's hit like a poking ASMR now. I'm actually going to do it in the box because it's very... Oh, by the way. Wait, this is supposed to make fart noises. Okay, now let's go to the poking. this is like a whole tub of slime, which is super like cool. It may look small in the camera, but it's actually like bigger than you think. Like this looks really small, but it's actually way bigger. Sorry if you heard that noise. Hold it. Okay. Now I'm gonna do extreme poking. Wait. So I want to try this. So if you were crazy like poking and you were really angry, this is what you do. It's so weird. There we go. Fart noises. So let's move on to the next slime. So before I move on to the next slime, I want to give like a side note. The container that the slime came in, it broke. So now it's in a pot, but it's fine. So this is the next slime. Yeah, this is the pot. This is a cool 360 of the slime. Okay, let's hear it poke. Let's take it out. Let's hit the street. Wow. Whee. This is the slime. It's a very nice, pretty blue color. And I don't think you can see this, but it has like glitter in it. You probably can't actually. But it's super cute. Super cute. So let's put this back in the spot. So this is my end of the video. I know it will be a short video, but I want to do like a huge video next time. But for now, this is all. And by the way, if you're wondering why we're not showing our faces, it's because we just don't want to. But maybe we will in a future video. And maybe we will if you guys get us to a huge subscriber amount, huge like amount, and huge views amount. But for now, you can't see my face, but it's fine because you can still see my hands. So that's for now. Bye!